I love a first cast when the water's glass and the line starts to run. Well, that first sip of a cold beer when the working week's done. I love a twilight in the morning before the day wakes up. Well, the windows down on the first ride in a paid up truck.
Hi. Am I over or under, bro? That way. What do you want?
Yeah, reverse it. Just click it in gear. He's just hit the boat here already. Yep. He's going to be a better fisherman than we think.
Yep.
Put it forward. You recording that?
Yeah, bud. They're not doing much, eh? You just know it's going to go in a minute.
Oh, he's a good fish, this fella. Hasn't done too much yet today. So he just took.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good fish, lad. Oh.
He's a 70. He goes alright, the skip. 68.
68. Nice fish. You. Camera's on. Cracker. She'll go. Beautiful. Yeah, it's gone sideways. Fish.
You right?
Yeah. Decent too. Slow hits this morning, they're not doing anything. They're just picking it up, eh? No big bang.
Where are you?
Over there somewhere.
Yeah, leave that until you get a bit closer.
Same thing, but good weight.
Yep.
Just broadside me, yeah. We'll just try and keep him this side. He's coming quick, so.
Nice.
Oh,
Nice fish.
he's alright.
All those rods.
Boy, got a bit going on.
Come up the side if you can. Nice fish.
Turn round.
Hang on, you little fella.
Yeah. Hooked in the side.
Yeah, there.
Couldn't even get 2 rods in the water.
Yeah.
I think.
Better than a rat?
Nah. Little skipjack. He's almost got it. Yep. Well, this is ridiculous.
It's a good day for a spray jacket.
Isn't it?
Guys, a chip with me rusty hook jacket on. Don't worry about that. Grab the net.
Alright. Oh yeah, bare line.
Where are they going? Oh, good heading.
Another good fish. Ew.
Good eater, that one. I don't know how to get a photo. Probably stream up there and come back anyway.
Hey.
With the tide.
Yeah. So. Up to you, yeah.
Yeah, we can go right up, come down that
And do that whole edge.
do that whole edge, and then come back and do one along this
Yeah.
inside.
Yep. Oh no, oh, it's alright. Coming straight at the top, but I know. Rattler. I think so.
I love a first cast when the water's glass and the line starts to run. Well, that first sip of a cold beer when the working week's done. I love a twilight in the morning before the day wakes up. Well, the windows down on the first ride in a paid-up truck. And I love a slow down in a beach town with an ocean view. And I love a first fall Saturday trip down to Baton Rouge. And I love a six string with the stars out and the campfire glow.